Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E400 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG line on the interior and exterior, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels with black accents. Night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear of the vehicle. Macchiato beige leather interior, burl walnut trim, black center console, panorama sunroof, spoiler, E400 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, premium 2 package with blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, ambient lighting, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, illuminated door sill, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 49,351 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E400 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.